Hello guys, warm welcome back to the channel. This is Noisy, and in today's video we are making tire installation. We have brand new custom vehicles that we built in our previous video. Now it's time for the tires and the tubes. We have brand new tires from Schwalbe, Johnny Watts 27.5 x 2.6 width. These are super quality and super sticky tires for mountain and of course city ride. The tubes are from Continental, they are 27.5 and the width is 2.3 to 2.5. Be sure when you install beer tires, fat one, be sure always to install a proper tube. When I say proper tube, that means you need a beer tube, not the first one in the shop and the cheapest one, but with proper dimension. Also, this video is special. The thing here is the Schwalbe tires are a little tight, and of course more tight for installation than the other brands like Continental or Maxxis. And when I say tight, it's little difficult to install them without damaging the rim. Now, in today's video, I will show you how to properly install your Schwalbe tires without damaging your rim. So, let's go with the video. I will show you step by step. So, first of all, to install the rim tape, there's the valve. Just a second. Valve, where are you, valve? Ah, here it is. Here it is. Here is our valve. And on the length, where is the valve? Here is. Okay. Just to install the rim tape and we are good to go with the tire. Okay. Now we are good. Okay. Okay, super. Nice. Now, before we continue, I want to let you know that I already destroyed my levers before. Here is our tire. So here we have Schwalbe tire, Johnny Watts. It's a little bit fat tire, but it will be good just to see which side this one you need to be. And okay, I will do it like this. So, first thing, we will install the one side from the tire, then we will continue with the most difficult, with the second side. Okay guys, I wanted to center the letters with the tire and the rim. So, next step, you'll put little bit air in the tube, so it's not to not be fully with air, but you know, middle, little bit. So, next thing, where is the valve? We will install first of all the valve. Here is the valve nut. We will install the valve nut. You won't tight it. You won't tight, just to be like that. Now, second thing, before we continue, you will put the tube step by step, side by side, little bit like this, like this, like this. So, next thing, we will start to put the tire from the valve here, just a little bit, then just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit like this, like this. Next thing, we will need a dish soap, little bit fat. We'll need two levers. We are almost coming to the part where the tire, you can't put it inside. It's a little bit difficult. So next thing what we will do, we will take a little bit dish soap here, we'll put on the inside of the tire. And like that. Just a little bit, you know, it's more easy. You can do it without dish soap, but I recommend a little bit, you know, to be more easy. Now, when we already put dish soap, you will take the lever from this side, not from this side, very small, but from the bigger side. And next thing, what you will do, you will take the tire like this, just sit on the tire. You can sit on the tire like this. And if you see, we'll put the lever like this and just push down. Just sit on the tire and then push down. Yeah. Guys, we have success. Oh, it was hard, but very good. Before I put pressure in the tire, in the tube, if you want to deinstall this tire, you will use the same procedure. So you will just put the bigger side from the lever inside the tire, just push it like this to get inside the tire and just push down. Sit on the tire and push down like this. Just like this and just push. So the lever should be like this. That's all about installing and deinstalling the Schwalbe tires. Here is the valve. Now it's time to tighten it and then cap. So this is our brand new vehicle, brand new tire, brand new tube, and of course most importantly, we didn't damage the rim. Okay guys, before I finish, I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Peace.